Wow! Naubos niya yung kanyang food, yung kanyang baon sa school. Tapos nang itong umiyak, guys, emotional na naman siya. Alam niyo kung bakit. Pagkakita ko pa lang sa kanya, alam kong may something eh. Umiiyak. Malungkot yung kanyang mukha. What happened, how?
My head I fall down the toilet.
Umiiyak siya nung pagkakita sa akin kasi yung hair tie niya daw, yung tali niya daw sa buhok, nalaglag sa toilet. Alam niyo naman na may pagka-possessive dito sa kanyang mga gamit. Kasi yung kanyang hair tie kanina, may dalawang ganito, naka 2 ears. Yung isang red hair tie, wala na. But it's fine. Mommy will buy you more hair tie next time, okay?
No, I want the new hair tie.
That hair tie?
Yeah, it fall down the toilet.
But it's okay. How did the hair tie fall down in the toilet? How?
I'm holding in my hand.
She was holding it. Why did you take it off from your hair? Huh?
It fall down.
From your hair?
Yes.
So you were holding it?
Yes.
Next time if it will fall down, put it in your bag. Or you have pocket here, put inside your pocket. You don't need to hold it. Okay? Kiss the baby. You did not kiss me.
Mommy,
Huh?
please don't check my nails.
Yeah, on Monday they will check your nails. But let me see nails. Okay. Do you want to go to
Christmas birthday party.
Christmas birthday party? Do you want to go to Bangalore?
Yes.
What we will do there in Bangalore?
I want to play with Kuya.
With Kuya.
Yes, it's Anibaya.
Anibaya is not there. Anibaya is in Patna, not in Bangalore. So we are planning, guys, to go to...
Madikeri.
No, this is Madikeri. Where we are planning to go?
In
Ba-
Bangalore.
Bangalore. We're going to attend
Christmas birthday party.
Christmas party. Yun yung plano. Pero hindi pa talaga siya na-finalize.
What Christmas party?
Christmas party. Where we enjoy, we play games, we sing Christmas songs, we celebrate Christmas. Hindi pa talaga siya na-finalize na kung aalis ba talaga kami ni Mishka. Pero yun yung plano ko. Bali sa December 1 yung Christmas party, Sunday, and bukas, Thursday na. Actually, yung plano ko is alis kami dito ni Mishka ng Friday after ng pasok niya sa school. Kasi Friday, 12:30 uwian niya. Merong bus ng 2 or 3 ng hapon. So, pwede yun namin ni Mishka mahabol. Para Friday, makapasok pa din siya sa school. Mami, what did you do? So, nung sinabi ko sa aking mga kaibigan na nagpaplano ako na a-attend ng Christmas party, yung isa kong kaibigan, kinumbinsin naman ako na Thursday na lang kami doon ni Mishka pumunta para at least mahaba-haba yung aming pag-stay doon sa Bangalore. So, tomorrow is Thursday na. Nagdadalawang isip pa din ako na pumunta. Kasi first, yung iniisip ko guys, si Abhi. Pagdating namin sa Bangalore, lahat ng Christmas party na atinan namin and kasama siya. Nung nag-COVID lang ata, 2020 ba yun? Yun lang yung walang Christmas party, yung Filipino community. So iniisip ko siya na if aalis kami, attend ng Christmas party kasi hindi siya makakasama kasi Saturday may pasok pa siya. Tapos Sunday lang yung off niya. So parang imposible na magbiyahe pa siya para maka-attend lang. Iniisip ko na baka malungkot siya na siya lang dito mag-isa, tapos kami ate ng Christmas party, and nag-i-enjoy yan siya kapag mga Christmas party ng Filipino community, ganyan. Yun yung nagdadalawang isip ako. Pero si Mishka naman, guys, alam niyo naman na excited itong makipaglaro sa kanyang best friend. Kung aalis man ako, mas malaking factor yung dahil kay Mishka. Actually, si Abhigay is very supportive yan. Sabi, it's your festival. Kung gusto mong umattend ka. Baka mamayang gabi pa ma-finalize yung decision ko. Marami pang available seat sa bus na papuntang Bangalore. So, okay lang. So, yun yung plano-plano, guys. Plano-plano pa lang. And nung sinabihan ko si Mishka na gusto mo bang pumunta sa Bangalore? Sabi niya, yes, mommy, buy our Bangalore house. I want our Bangalore house. Kala niya siguro pupunta kami doon ulit sa dati naming bahay. We're just going to attend a Christmas party. Yes. Do you miss Kuya or not? Yes?
I wish you get jelly for Kuya.
You will
And
get
cheese pot for Kuya.
Aww, nagpaplano na siya kung ano yung dadalhin niya kay Klein. Okay. Put it in your rice. Okay. You like it? That's onion. That's okay. That's yummy.
It's very spicy.
It's not spicy. Want more okra?
Okay. Okay, Mother.
Okay. Get it, please, mommy.
Get it, Mommy.
Okay. Go, get another. Uy. Wow, you have so many okra.
It's not too hot.
Hmm?
It's not too hot.
Not hot.
Not hot.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah. Put in your rice. Hey, keep it side. Eat rice. Eat your rice na.
Okra.
Okra.
Cabbage.
It's not cabbage, it's battle gourd. It's upo. Yeah, upo.
Because Mom put just on Italy not scared.
She did not cry. You're also watching? Eat your food na. You're also watching while Mom was putting injection on the thigh?
No, I stay in my classroom.
Okay. You did not see?
No.
Use your spoon. Ay.
Mom, I don't make a big shock. I don't make a... Wow, my ice cream.
Is it ice
Can
cream?
I make a big ice cream?
Okay. We just had bath. And now Mimi is drinking coffee. Is that coffee?
Yes, that's good coffee.
That is Mimi's coffee.
Hey, I want that. I'm taking Peter coffee.
Yeah, it's pretend coffee because this is milk.
Joke.
It's a joke.
Joke.
This is milk.
Milk.
Yeah.
I like the princess.
Dito sa teacup na to, gustong-gusto niya uminom ng kanyang gatas. Hindi na siya dumidede ngayon, guys. Sa cup na siya umiinom ngayon ng gatas. Good job! Yummy?
Yummy.
Kauwi lang ni Abhi dito for lunch. And then, nagsabi na siya na mag-book na daw ako ng bus. Enough? Done? All done? Come on, let's go. Mag-book na daw ako ng bus namin for tomorrow. We are going to...
Bangalore.
Bangalore, yes.
I'm not going to school.
Tomorrow morning, you'll have to go school first. And then after school, then we will ride the bus going to Bangalore. Okay? Alis tayo. We're going to meet our friends. Wow, she's a princess. Look at that. A ballerina. She's a ballerina. Look at that.
Mama?
Yes. Wow. And turn around like a ballerina. Wow.
Mama said love fun and Please press my button and like. Bye-bye!
Punta tayo ng tindahan. Punta tayo sa town. Maghanap tayo ng pangregalo. So, hindi ko pa naman nabook yung aming bus ticket. Pero parang sure na day. Aalis kami. Aalis kami ng Mishka tomorrow evening. Tomorrow afternoon. Are you ready, love?
Yeah.
Yes. Excited na to eh. And gusto din niyang bumili ng something for Klein. Something for Kuya.
Something for Klein?
Kuya.
Kuya's Klein?
Yeah, his name is Klein.
Yes, and I miss and you?
Yes, you are.
Mommy, I don't be free because I don't be for my favorite boutique party.
Yeah? Hindi muna ako didiretso sa Smart Bazaar. Dito muna kami sa town center. Magtitingin-tingin. You don't need shoes, baby.
Why?
You already have so many shoes.
I want my princess shoes.
Next time?
Okay.
Okay, my love.
Like work for shoes.
Okay. Dito kami sa photo studio, guys. Magpapaprint ng picture kasi ayoko lang na laruan yung bilhin ko pa. Dito kami sa photo studio kung saan si Mishka nagpa-picture ng passport size last time. What are we doing here? Okay. Mishka may nahanap na. What is this?
This is Lego.
For?
Kuya,
But Kuya already has so many Lego, Mimi.
Mommy?
He's already having so many Lego. Look for something else. What do you want?
Animals.
Kuya is not playing that animals anymore, baby love.
Mommy, I want dinosaur.
Dinosaur naman. Pa-develop ako ng photo kasi gusto ko yung parang may remembrance sila ni Mishka ba sa kanilang friendship. Yung gusto ko is something meaningful na magre-remind ng kanilang friendship sa age nila ngayon. Kasi Klein kasi yung parang matuturing ni Mishka na best friend niya. Palagi niya talaga iniisip si Klein. So, gusto ko na maalala din ni Klein si Mishka. So, I got these two photos. Ito yung photo nilang dalawa. Ang cute na to.
This is Kuya with my bungalow house. And this is Kuya with Kuya's house.
Yes. Ito daw sa Bangalore house namin.
And
ito sa bahay ni Kuya.
Kuya is wearing... He's wearing orange dress.
Kuya is wearing orange dress. Lagay natin ito sa frame. What?
Black pants and he's wearing green pants.
Okay. We'll give this to Kuya. This is your gift to Kuya, okay? Pictures.
Pictures.
Yes.
Why you can only like this? Why you can only like...
Ito na yung regalo ni Mishka for her Kuya Klein. Yung kanilang photo. Gusto niyang dinner is dosa. So, she's having dosa, chutney, and okra. 8:45 na ng gabi. Tama ba? Yeah. And wala pa rin sa Abhi. Magtiklop muna tayo ng mga damit before tayo lumarga bukas. Hindi pa rin tapos si Mishka kumain. Ito muna yung gagawin ko before dumating sa Abhi. Hindi ako nakabili kanina dun sa labas ng gift wrapper. Kasi malayo pa yung kailangan kong lakarin. So si Abhi na lang yung pinabili ko. Hopefully may mabili siya or maalala niyang bumili. Or else walang wrapper yung aking regalo bukas. Are you done eating?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Okay. Daddy just came home. Meron na siyang dala, guys, na wrapper.
Slime!
Why?
No, for you.
Ask Daddy, why did you get that for Mimi? Wait. Why did you get her slime?
Maybe she was saying this she kind of silly.
Yes. Just use the pink one.
Mommy, this is for you.
No, we'll keep this for some other time. For Christmas, okay?
Okay.
So, pink lang yung paglaruan niya.
Kiss, butcha.
You did not say anything to Daddy when you received that, huh?
Namaste, Daddy.
Namaste, Daddy. Uy. What will you say if someone is giving you something?
Touch feet.
I don't know. It's okay. You don't need to touch my feet. God bless you.
Touch feet, she said. I thought she said Danvit, her classmate. You said touch feet? Touch feet pala yun. Thank you, you should say to Daddy.
Thank you.
It's not coming like that.
Are you happy? Daddy got you slime?
Yes.
For the first time? You have to give her like gift from parents. And this is what she wanted. So I will just drop this.
What is this?
Dough.
Huh?
Dough.
No, Daddy, and you got me.
Something na may mabigay lang ako sa
From
kanya sa
you
Christmas
will
party.
give
Yeah.
to Mishka.
And she chose this. I got this so that they will have remembrance.
Okay.
So Mishka said, I only realized that. She said, this one is our Banglar house and this one is Kuya's house. I wanted something meaningful for their friendship. Dito, for booking bus ticket, they have this KSRTC app. So dyan, search ka lang. Parang nagbubook ka lang din ng plane ticket. This one, I think I will get 3:30.
Book early na 2 o'clock.
There's no 2 o'clock.
Mommy.
Okay, this one, the EV.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Right.
Yeah, like Volvo class, but not EV.
Pag nakapili ka na ng timing ng bus na gusto mo, meron ka ding pagpipilian na seat kung saan mo gusto umupo. She is really expressive because when we were there in Smart Bazaar and I was choosing for Klein, for Sophie, then she is looking for a toy that she can get for herself. And I said, okay, later. Like, I am trying to search for the other kids. And then she told me, Mommy, you got toy for Kuya and Ate Sophie, but you did not get toy for me. I don't have my present. They have present. Why, Mommy? As in, very, talaga siya guys, expressive siya ng kanyang nararamdaman. Meron na kaming ticket. Confirmed. Tulungan ako ni Abby na mag-wrap ng mga regalo.
Mommy, Daddy, 1 minute. Mama, play with my slime. Mama, play with my slime.
Why you will play with your slime?
I want help with that, okay? Play with my slime, okay?
I will play her slime because she's going to help Daddy.
Daddy, see it. Daddy, Kuya is slime and Ate Sophie is Ate.
Yes.
And Mishka.
You are my princess.
Wow. Mom, see, I see you.
Oh,
It's like a mirror.
the mirror.
Daddy, I see you. Yeah.
So tomorrow we will leave too. You will be home by that time, na Daddy. So you can have lunch pa. You will be okay, ha?
Mom, see you.
Actually, hindi naman ako nag-aalala talaga kung paano yung pagkain ni Afi because I know that he can survive without me. Kaya niyang magluto, maglinis ng bahay, mamalansya. So, that, alam ko na malulungkot to kapag hindi niya kasama si Mishka. If you're not with Mishka, you are feeling sad na.
I'm feeling sad about you.
Yeah, me and Mishka. Nag-wrap din siya ng kanyang slime. Very good. Say goodnight to them. Now we're going to sleep.
Good night, everyone. Today I'm not going in class. So I don't go in. This is my party. So I don't meet Kura and Auntie Sophie.
Oh.
So I don't play. I don't play with animal and meet you later. So I don't go in Bangalore. So I'm not going in my class. Okay, bye.
Good night.
Bye.